Dear friends, today I'm going to discuss about robot anatomy. Myself, Dr. Somnath Das, Associate Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. So, in this subject, I shall explore the world of robot anatomy and delves into components that make up these fascinating machines. This is introduction of robot anatomy. Robot anatomy actually refers the physical structure and components of the robot. It encompasses the mechanical, electrical, and computational elements that enable robots to perform tasks. Understanding robot anatomy is crucial for anyone interested in robotics. Actually, who is very much interested in robotics, robot anatomy is very much needed for them. It allows you to appreciate the complexity of these machines and to better understand their capabilities and limitation also. See, what is the key component of robotics or robot? First is sensor, to sense something, gather the information about the environment, such as distance, light, temperature, etc. etc. When any robotic hand stop or move, how it's move? Actually, with the help of some sensor, it will do that. Actuator, produce movement, allowing robots to interact their surrounding. Control system, process sensory input, makes a decision and direct actuator to the action. Okay, so control system is very much needed to controlling the sensor, actuator, etc. etc. Then comes power system. It provides energy for robotic operation. Sensors and sensory system, with the help of cameras, with the help of leader, with the help of touch sensor, we can sense something and provide the information to the controller. Provide visual input or object recognition and navigation. This is useful by use of camera. What is the leader? Create 3D map of the environment using laser beam and touch sensor, direct contact and pressure, allowing robots to interact with object. So this is the part of sensor. Then actuator and power system. It is basically three types: electric motors, hydraulic actuator, or pneumatic actuator. Electric motor actually provide rotational force to drive joint and wheel. And hydraulic actuator actually use pressurized fluid to generate linear or rotational motion. And what is pneumatic actuator? Utilize compressed air to power movement. Then control system and programming. We know in every robotic system, microcontroller is used and software programming is used for controlling algorithm and instruction. Software generally controlled by some algorithm and instruction. And sensor and actuator obviously provide the information to the microcontroller. Then the mechanical structure and design. In this robotic system, so many joint design is required, linkage design is required, and when we shall create the robotic parts, so material selection is very important thing. Joint types of revolute or prismatic or spherical. Linkage means connecting joint for specific movement. And when we select the material, obviously the strength of the material, the weight of the material, and flexibility of the material should be considerable. Then this is some future trends and development of robot anatomy. This type of robot will be made in upcoming future for our definite application. Thank you.